Good morning, Wrangler. Today we are going to solve problem using proportional reasoning. So we're going to do with word problem. We going to learn how to set up proportion and make sure you include the unit for each ratio and then solving the missing value and label your answer with appropriate unit at the end. And then also make sure you round your answer to near 10th. Let's start it. Sam ranked 3 bags of leaves in 16 minutes. If he continued to work at the same rate, how long will it take for him to rake 5 bags? So I will have my first ratio that rake 3 bags in 16 minutes. 3 bags, make sure you have your unit for 16 minutes. And then they asking him how long mean they're looking for the minute that he can do for 5 back. Okay, I am going to use the method called cross multiply because I don't see any relationship between 3 to 5 or 3 to 16, right? So I'm cross multiply these number. 3 times x, I have 3x. 5 times 16, I have what? 80. This is one step equation, so I am going to do the inverse of 3 times x will be dividing by 3 on both sides. So when I take 80 divided by 3, 3 go into 8 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 23 go into 20 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. And then minus I have 2. Return my decimal point. I got 26.6666. So I will round it to near 10. So I will have 26.7 minute. Okay. I try to erase it. Not going like I want to. Okay, just so you know that 26.6666 is 26 minutes. 2/3 of a minute, 26 minutes and 2/3, which is what? 26 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, just so you know. Amy earned $25 after babysitting for 3 hours. $25 for 3 hours. That is a ratio. If she always charged the same rate, how much will she make after working for 7 hours? So I'm going to write down my first ratio is $25 for 3 hours of working, babysitting. And then they're going to continue doing that for 7 hours. How much money? It's going to be an X. Okay. So again, we have cross multiply 3x. 25 times 7. 35. 14 plus 3. 175. And then I divide it by 3 on both sides. So my x will be 58.33. Number 3. A 2-month membership to the gym costs $125. If Jim would like to be a member for 8 months, what is the total amount that he will pay for 8 months? So we have 2 months for $125. Total amount we'll pay for 8 months. How much money? So you can see the relationship of 2 to 8, right? You're gonna multiply 4. So the amount of money I need to multiply by 4 as well. So 125 you multiply with 4 will give you $500. Number 4, Bobby drove 110 miles and his car used up to 5 gallons of gas. How many miles can he drive with 16 gallons of gas? So we have the first ratio, 110 miles, and he was used 5 gallons. And how many miles? We don't know it. For 16 gallons. Okay, we can use cross multiply in this scenario. So 5x, 110 times 16 will get you 1,760. Inverse operation of multiply will be divide. So I divide both sides by 5. You will have 352 miles. Number 5, Mary ran 2 miles in about 23 minutes. If she continued at the same speed, how long will it take her to run for 10 miles? So 2 miles for 23 minutes. If she continued at the same pace, 10 miles, how long to do 10 miles? So 2 miles to 10 miles. You know the relationship that you will multiply with 5. So 23 minutes, I will multiply with 5 as well. So 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 1 is 115 minutes.